when our eyes would meet, I would feel my heart beat. When you looked and smiled at me, back then our love was so strong. We wanted this to go on, but now it's only a pleasant memory. If I could see you now, you would stand out from the crowd, but you would not even notice me. But somebody told me that it's all